speak, I will take you in a brief walk about my last vacation. Drunk their oral production of the level 8, my name is Lady Moran. I was an incredible experience. Simpsons is a visit the Green Lagoon. Hub is located in the department of Awashakam. It is a place surrounded by natural drinking natural air. I visited in with my family. When we go to the place, we did many things. First, we walked a little to the lagoon. The car we left is far. They we went up a hill to get to know the place more and enjoy. Beautiful with the were some falls, but in it was nice to climb the hills where torn red of the on the board and also walking. As I said before, I visited the lagoon with my family, my brothers, and my parents. It was a beautiful experience to be able to do it with my family because that what is enjoy more spending time as a family. It was a beautiful one of the places where you can capture natural being so current be stress enjoy the cold water in very nice to go to clear your mind and relax. Lagoon is one of the protected are because it is a natural reserve, which is go to take care of science being able to visit it. It is very beautiful and just a love is what other people might like. It was my first time, but is a bowl like to able to visit it in as new. It was a bit of my exercise of my last vacation. Yes, thanks.